Hello everyone. So recently, OpenAI has launched Code Interpreter with its ChatGPT 4. So it is a wonderful tool which we can use for data analysis. As of now, I have tried some basic data analysis. So it is so simple. You just need to upload the data file and then instruct it to do the analysis that you want. Once you do that, it will run the relevant code. You can also copy the code and it will give you the output. And the wonderful thing about it is you can even download that output as a PDF file. Let's see how it works. Now let's look at how we get the code interpreter in place. So this is my ChatGPT screen, and on the bottom left, in front of a picture, in front of your account details, you will have three dots. Just click on this. Once you click this, you get to settings. Click settings. In settings, you need to go to beta features. In beta features, you have code interpreter. So for you, if you have not used it, it will be off. You'll have to toggle it to make it on. Once you make it on, you can close this and then we can start working. So once you put the code interpreter on, you will see this screen where you will have a plus sign left to the send message here, right here, which says upload file. So what I did after this was I downloaded a file from data.gov.in. So I went to data.gov.in, which is the Indian public data website. And from there, I downloaded a data on the longitudinal aging study in India, LASI. And if you see, here's the download option. So I downloaded an Excel file, XLX file, XLS file. And then I converted that Excel file. If you see my Excel file, it looks like this. And I converted this Excel file into a CSV file. So CSV is easier for both Python and R. And I converted that into CSV file. Let's get to the real world. So now what you do is you click on this plus button and you go to the place where you have saved that file. I have saved it somewhere in experiments. So you see that you see this rsby_data.csv. I click this and I say upload. When I say upload, you will see the file stored like this, rsby_data.csv. Now you have to write a prompt there. So what prompt I have given is analyze the data set and make charts and graphs to show the major trends in household variables across the different Indian states. So the amazing thing is it gives me this output. So it shows working for some time and it gives me this output. This data set appears to contain a large amount of demographic and health related data. So it gives me options, which variables you want to start with. So it says you can start with age distribution across different states, literacy rates across different states, average household income or health expenditure. Once we have a better idea of what you are interested in, we can create more specific visualizations and analysis. So I said, I will work on age distribution, literacy rates, average household income, and health expenditure. So I typed all the four which were given here. Once I do that, it gives me some explanation here. And it says that literacy rates, there is no column directly related to literacy rates. So it knows that it is named something else. So if I have to use it, I need to put the right variable name. Anyways, so it says, would you like to proceed with this? I say yes. Once we do that, you see the graphs are ready. Within no time, you see the graphs. You have the age distribution across Indian states, different age categories. You have all the states on the x-axis. So this is a heat map. Then you have a bar chart for average household income. You have the health expenditure across Indian states. All the states are listed here. And it also explains it a little. Here are the visualization of the data. Now what I want is, output is there, fine. But I want this to be saved as a PDF file. I can do that. So I say, answer it in the form of a multiple pages PDF download. When I do that, it gives me a download the PDF link. And when you see that, it is amazing. You get this output, see? So this is the output that you get. automatically. And this is done within, let's say, 30 seconds. So this is page 1. Then you have page 2, distribution of mean household income. You have the box plot of mean household income. You can specify what type of chart you want. And then you have the pie chart, top 10 states in terms of sex ratio. Okay. Now I can carry the analysis further. And what I can do is I can say, I can write another prompt. So what I say now, what I type now is act as a data scientist and analyze the data set for all the states. Make a bar plot to analyze the column households with electricity. So I specify the column heading here, make a histogram and a box plot to explore the mean household size. I specify the plot. I say finally make a pie chart to see the top 10 states in terms of sex ratio. So I repeat this exercise and you get the output. So finally, what I did was, finally I said, instead of scatter plot, this distribution of literacy across Indian states, I wanted a bar chart. So again, I have a PDF file. So the PDF file that you just saw talks about that only. Yeah. So this is the PDF file, the top 10 Indian states. I have another file here. Let me see. I will show you the final PDF file. So this is the first plot, percentage of households with electricity across Indian states. And then you have the distribution of mean household size, box plot. And then this is the bar chart I was talking about. So you have all the states here. This is the overall literacy rate of India, which is around 54–55%. And Kerala has the highest literacy rate, followed by Mizoram and other states. Isn't this wonderful? So I hope you like the video and you keep experimenting with this. I will come up with more videos. Thank you very much.